Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are doing good and you must be enjoying your e-learning classes through your WhatsApp group. Today I'm going to share the second lecture of some chemistry subject, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is atomic mass and atomic number. So have a look at the contents. First of all, you need to think inside the box. What does it mean? It means that, as you can see on your screen, that there is a box shown in which an element name is mentioned, that is oxygen. As we all know now that arrangement of element is found in periodic table. Periodic table में elements arranged हैं. So the one of the element that we are going to discuss is oxygen. Here is written letter O over the top of oxygen, as you can see, and there are two numbers that are mentioned. First is 8, that is above O, and below is 16, 6. There are arrows, as you can see, which are showing the representation of the things that are shown inside the box. First of all, look at the word oxygen. This is element's name. Then after oxygen, look at the alphabet or letter O. It is element's symbol. ये ऑक्सीजन का सिंबल है. ओ से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं हम ऑक्सीजन. अगर कहीं पे भी ओ मेंशन है किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन या इक्वेशन में, तो इट मीन्स दैट इट इज़ शोइंग द एलिमेंट ऑक्सीजन. उस एलिमेंट ऑक्सीजन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है लेटर ओ. लेटर ओ इज़ बेसिकली एन एब्रिविएशन फॉर द एलिमेंट. एलिमेंट सिंबल क्या होता है? ये एक एब्रिविएशन है एलिमेंट के लिए. Then if we are going to discuss about number 8, so what is 8? 8 is actually atomic number of oxygen of this element. And what is atomic number? Atomic number is basically number of protons in an atom of an element, or we can say atomic number is also considered as the number of electrons in an atom of an element. As we all know that atom is the smallest unit, so smallest particle होता है atom. और atomic number अगर किसी भी element का है तो वो किसके equal है? वो number of protons या फिर number of electrons के equal होता है. number of electrons, आपको पता है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं अपने स्पेसिफिक ऑर्बिट में रोटेट करते हैं, या फिर हम उन्हें एनर्जी शेल्स भी कह सकते हैं, जिसमें वो रिवॉल्व कर रहे होते हैं अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. वाइल नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स ऑफ एनी स्पेसिफिक एलिमेंट रिजाइड्स और फाउंड इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस. So 8 is basically number of protons or number of electrons of the element oxygen, and it is considered as atomic number. And now if we are going to discuss about 16, this represents atomic mass of the element, and the element is oxygen. What is atomic mass? Atomic mass is basically the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons. Protons and neutrons मिलकर atomic mass जो हैं वो फॉर्म करते हैं किसी भी एलिमेंट का. And as we all know that protons are found inside the nucleus, the same way neutrons are also found inside the nucleus. So protons and neutrons हमें nucleus में मिलते हैं. They are found in nucleus and they make up the whole mass of the atom. And here we are discussing this atomic structure of oxygen. The element name is oxygen. Element symbol is O. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So now we all know about the element oxygen, and the same way if there is any other element and represented like this, so we can easily get through to the number of protons, number of electrons, as well the number of neutrons of that specific element by looking at the atomic number and atomic mass of that element. Now have a look at symbols to represent atomic mass and atomic number. क्या सिम्बल्स हैं जो यूज़ करते हैं हम एटॉमिक मास एंड एटॉमिक नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए? As we have discussed already that atomic mass make up the mass of the whole atom, and atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons, and they both are found inside the nucleus, while atomic number is the number of electron or number of proton. Protons are found inside the nucleus, while electron revolve in their specific energy levels or orbits around the nucleus. So we know कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं वो रिवॉल्व कर रहे हैं अपने स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी लेवल्स या ऑर्बिट्स में या शेल्स में, किसके अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. सो नाउ हैव अ लुक एट द सिम्बल्स. These three symbols are used to represent them. First symbol is A, second is Z, while the third is X. A is the symbol to represent atomic mass, Z is the symbol to represent atomic number, while X is the atomic symbol. It is an abbreviation used to represent atom in chemical formulas. So if there is any value mentioned or given of any specific element by the symbol A, you can consider it as atomic mass, or by the symbol Z, then you will consider it as atomic number. A symbol atomic mass को represent करेगा और Z atomic number को represent करेगा. To understand the representation of atomic mass and atomic number through the symbols in a better way, have a look at this example of carbon atom. As you can see on your screen that here is an element named as carbon. As you can see, carbon is the element name represented by an arrow. Then capital C is the symbol, that is element symbol to represent carbon atom. 6 is atomic number. In bracket the symbol is mentioned of atomic number, that is Z. And here it is written that number of protons in nucleus and the number of electrons in a neutral atom is considered as atomic number, while as you can see 12.01 is represented as atomic mass. The symbol of atomic mass is also shown in bracket, that is capital A, and atomic mass is average mass of atoms of element. 12.01 वैल्यू जो है ये एटॉमिक मास की है. इफ़ आई एम गोइंग टू राउंड ऑफ दिस वैल्यू, इट विल कंसिडर्ड एज 12. So 12 is atomic mass of carbon, and we all know that average mass, that is number of protons and neutrons, they both make up the average mass of any specific atom. Like here for example carbon का average mass, that is atomic mass, symbol is A, is 12, जबकि atomic number क्या है कार्बन का 6, and it is represented by symbol Z, capital Z. And atomic number is actually the number of protons which are found in the nucleus, or it is also the number of electrons that is found in a neutral atom. So 6 is atomic number represented by Z, and 12 is atomic mass represented by A. We have already discussed about anatomy of an atom, and we know that atoms are made up of three basic subatomic particles. The first is proton, second is neutron, and third is electron. As you can see on your screen that proton and neutron are found together inside the nucleus in the center of the atom, and around the nucleus there are shells, or you can say these are orbits or energy levels, in which electrons are found. It means that electrons are revolving around the nucleus in their specific energy levels or orbits. So because of this anatomy, we know the basic structure of atoms as well, that proton and neutron will be found inside the nucleus, while electron will be in their specific energy shells or orbits and revolving around the nucleus. Now have a look at the subatomic particle symbols. So we know that there are three basic subatomic particles. Name are mentioned, as you can see. First is proton, second is neutron, third is electron. The symbol of proton is small p, while symbol of neutron is small n, and symbol of electron is small e. Now have a look at the charges of these subatomic particles. The charge of proton is +1. That's why you can see a positive or plus charge over p. It shows that it is positively charged. And if there is no number is shown, it means that there is 1. अगर कोई भी नंबर शो नहीं हो रहा तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि वहाँ पे क्या मौजूद है, वहाँ पे 1 मौजूद है. दैट्स वाई p के ऊपर सिर्फ प्लस चार्ज हमने मेंशन कर दिया है. So the charge of proton is positive. Protons are positively charged particles. The second subatomic particle is neutron, and the charge of neutron is 0. It means that neutron have no charge. 0 charge शो हो रहा है, यानी कि न्यूट्रॉन का कोई चार्ज नहीं होता. न्यूट्रॉन इज़ न्यूट्रल in nature. Neutral means it is having no charge. That's why small n के ऊपर हमने 0 मेंशन किया है. अगर हम 0 मेंशन नहीं भी करें तो इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इसका कोई स्पेसिफिक चार्ज नहीं है. इसी वजह से हम कोई भी चार्ज शो नहीं कर रहे, या तो 0 लिखेंगे या कुछ भी नहीं लिखेंगे. And the third subatomic particle is electron. Symbol of electron is small e, as we have discussed before, while the charge of electron is -1, that is negative charge. So it means that electron is a negatively charged species. That's why small e having a negative charge over it. एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज शो करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है इलेक्ट्रॉन के स्मॉल ई पे. सो नाउ वी नो द सिम्बल्स एंड चार्जेस ऑफ सबएटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स एज वेल. प्रोटॉन इज़ पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड स्पीशी. न्यूट्रॉन इज़ न्यूट्रल, दैट इट मीन्स दैट इट इज़ हैविंग नो चार्ज, while electron is negatively charged species. The charge of proton is +1, that is positive. Charge of electron is -1, that is negative. While neutron have no charge, it means that 0 charge. I hope that you are able to understand all these concepts in a very good and easy way through this lecture. Kindly note down all the important key points and these subatomic particle charges chart as well in your chemistry copy. Good luck. Thank you.